you or Toddler.
What is it? What is it? What does it taste like?
It's dog food, but it's yummy.
2, 1, go.
Welcome back to T-Pals.
Today we're back with another banger. Today we're going to play the Jelly Bean Challenge. Yeah! So today we're going to play rock, paper, scissors, and the loser needs to spin the wheel. For every colour it lands on, there's a nasty one and there's a nice one. So example, so here we have the red jelly bean, and it is either strawberry or chili, cola or dog food. We have bubblegum or mouthwash. We have birthday cake or soap. We have watermelon or cabbage. Yucky. We have tropical or curry. That tastes disgusting. So there's all the colors, and you know what? I'm going to win every game. Yes, I am. Let's go then. Let's see who's gonna be the winner.
Round 1. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no! How did I lose already? So we're going to do the winner has to spin the wheel for the other person. Hopefully Key gives me good luck. Alright, let's go then, Key. Okay, so here I have tropical or curry. Let's open the box up. I'm scared. So I'm gonna pick this one here. Oh, nice. I got away lucky. I got the tropical one.
Round 2. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! It's you again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! So I'm going to spin it now. Hope me get dog food. Oh, so you got watermelon or cabbage?
Bruh.
You ready, Kate? It's nice. What does it taste like?
It tastes like carrot.
You got the cabbage one, and you say I thought it would taste yucky.
Before you can pick on dog food.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping you got.
Yeah, about that cabbage.
You got cabbage.
Yeah.
Tastes nice. You sure you got cabbage, or did you get watermelon?
I got cabbage. Look, see? It's cabbage.
It's cabbage for sure. Yeah? Okay.
I know one, two twice.
So we go again then.
Round 3. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, not again. Not again, Key. No, you need to spin the wheel, Key. Sorry. Again. Oh no, this is birthday cake or soap. Yee.
Take that one.
This one.
Yeah.
There it is. This was disgusting. I got birthday cake. That wasn't bad.
Round 4. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, not again, please. How do you keep on winning me?
So you got to do the different one?
Alright then. Oh, you got to spin it, sorry. That's more in the mouthwash than the bubble gum. If it was a little bit over there, because look, the arrow was pointing there. I got lucky, I got away lucky with that one, because that was literally on the border of mouthwash and dog poop. You can see that, guys.
Yeah, I knew you were doing that. I was forcing to be doing dog food, but I knew it.
You knew it?
Yeah.
You're smarty pants. Alright, let's go. Hey!
Yeah.
That's mouthwash, that is.
Yeah.
Tastes like I just pushed my teeth, guys. It wasn't that bad though, but it was yucky, but it wasn't that bad.
Now it's your turn, but I didn't win the turn.
Rock, paper, scissors, I guess?
Yeah.
Round 5. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! I won!
Bruh.
So you ready for this one?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna make sure this one lands on dog poo. Let's go! That's 50-50. Should I spin it again or do you want to pick which one?
I want to pick that one.
I'm gonna pick that one. It literally landed in between the birthday cake and the bubble gum and mouthwash. So you can pick it. I want Keith to get all the yucky ones.
Yeah, but nice.
It's nice. So you know what we need to do?
Yeah.
We need to play rock, paper, scissors again.
Yeah.
Yeah!
And what?
Round 6. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yeah!
Bruh.
No!
So I'm going to spin it this time now. Let's go. Whoa! Oh yeah! You got dog poo! You got dog poo. So right now, Key's got the dog poo or cola. So Key, pick up one of them and show the camera, Key.
This is the dog poo or toddler.
What is it? What is it? What does it taste like?
It's dog poo, but it's yummy. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
You sure it's nice? What does it taste like?
This is dog poo.
Tastes like dog poo. That's yucky.
Yeah, I nearly win this time.
Right, let's go again.
Round 7. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! I won for a second time. So I need to spin it now.
No, this is actually final thing.
You got birthday cake or so. One more time.
Bruh.
Birthday cake.
So you need to pick one now.
Which one's the birthday cake?
I don't know. It's either birthday cake or soap. Any of them, Key? This one here, Key. No cheating. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Oh yeah.
So, Key, what do you think you've got here?
That one.
Birthday cake or soap?
Yeah, it's birthday cake.
So, I hope it's soap.
But the soap one's that one. Yeah, but I got one of them ones.
You got one of them ones?
Yeah.
So, what does that taste like?
Let's take that.
It's soap. Eee.
Yeah, it was nice.
So, guys, we're going to do the final rock, paper, scissors now.
And then the win.
This is the real war, this is. And I'm going to win you. Because I am not getting dog poo. That's yucky.
Final round. Fight!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That was a draw. Rock. You know what it is?
Yeah.
You know what? Let's add something into the game.
Yeah.
If we draw one more time, we need to add something in, Key.
Yeah.
We both need to eat something very yucky. This is the yuckiest of the yuckiest. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Is it them ones?
Them ones. Shall we show you guys what we got here? I don't think they're ready for it, Key.
No.
They're not ready, are they?
No.
You know what? We show you. So here we have poo drops.
Also, we have nuts.
I'm gonna show the camera. Let's show them snot. And look at this snot. It's got some purple bogies inside. And the poo has got some blood. Got some blood.
Yeah, but fake blood.
Fake blood, it's not real blood. That'd be disgusting.
Yeah, we don't wanna eat that. That's just really disgusting.
So you know if we draw,
Yeah.
we need to eat one of each. That is disgusting. So let's go again then. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I lost. But at least we didn't draw though. That's the best thing.
Yeah.
Because if we would have drew, we would have had to eat these.
Yeah.
You want to spin this one more time? Alright, that's a good spin. That is a very good spin to me. Oh!
Bruh.
I got dog pee.
Yeah.
Oh, that's disgusting. That is very disgusting. Counting on you to be cola. This better be cola. This better be cola.
No.
This better be cola.
What?
Cola.
Yeah.
So now, guys, to make it fair, we're both going to eat a jelly bean at the same time, and we're going to do each one individually. Here it is. 3, 2, 1, go.
What is that? What is that?
I got the chili one. It's hot.
Yours is hot. Mine's not.
You always pick the good ones.
He needs some milk.
That was hot. So I guess my one was chili and Keon's one was strawberry. Is that right? It was strawberry.
Yeah.
So now we're going to do the cola or the
Lemon.
no.
Oh, what?
We're going to do the cola or the dog food.
Yeah, I'm picking.
So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. How did you say this one was nice? How did you say this one was nice, Key? This is dog food. This is disgusting.
Yeah. I like this one.
That was disgusting.
I turned in a white one.
Everyone can get it right. Well, that was disgusting. That was vile. If that is disgusting, I don't know what this is like. But we're going to do that.
I got my fork.
I keep picking out the nasty ones, but I'm not going to lie. Again, that soap was well needed because that dog poo was disgusting. At least now my mouth is all clean.
Yeah.
I just can't get cabbage though.
No.
Shall we go for this one now?
Yep.
Watermelon or cabbage? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my days. Let's put out cabbage.
Yeah, I pick out with the watermelon.
You're getting away with murder right now, Keith.
You don't eat cabbage.
What's your one?
What's your one though?
Is it a curry or a tropical?
Mine's Toby.
How are you eating them so calmly?
What was yours?
My one was tropical. Here's the final round now. We go to just try these yucky sweets at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So take them out.
Yeah. But I want to take mine now.
Here we have the poo poo.
And the snot.
Eee! Smelly.
It's mine.
Smells like your poo poo.
Yeah.
Eee. Open it up. Okay. Shall we try the snot or the poo poo first? The poo poo? Alright, here's your one. And here's my one. This looks like your poo poo.
Yeah, but that's different.
Are you gonna bite it and see the blood, or are you gonna eat it in one go?
I'm biting that.
I'm gonna bite.
You'll see the boy.
Eee, poo poo blood.
I can't eat that.
Why not?
Eee. Poo boy.
You know what? That was alright.
Yummy.
It wasn't nasty. It was nasty, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
There we
Let's
go.
try my one.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the picture was purple.
Is that purple wood?
But you know what? That's a nice snot.
Yeah, but because the purple is nice and bad.
Nice and bad.
Yeah, nasty and good.
Nasty and good.
Yeah.
You want another one?
What?
You want another one of each?
Yeah, another two.
Key, what did you think about the challenge?
Yucky.
It was yucky.
Yeah.
I thought some of them were yucky, some of them were okay,
Yeah.
and these wasn't too bad. I think this poo poo and the snot was better than the spinning wheel. That's what I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been white and yours. Yeah.
So guys, if you want to join the Keys Playhouse family, make sure you like and subscribe.
To my YouTube channel.
Yeah. High five. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you guys on the next video.